Okay. The second student is Miss Yapti Yang from Malaysia. She is third year undergraduate student and she is belonging to the Department of Transdisciplinary Science and Engineering. Okay, Miss Yapti, please come to the stage.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Ying, and today I'm going to give a short presentation about my life at Tokyo Tech. So, a little bit about myself. So, I'm originally from Malaysia and I came to Japan in April 2018. And I'm currently a third year undergraduate student under the Department of Transdisciplinary Science and Engineering, or for short, TSE. And I'm enrolled in the Global Scientists and Engineers Program, or GSET for short. So, you might be wondering, what is TSE? So, so this department, the goal of basically the goal of this department is to go beyond the boundaries of academic fields. As we all know today, problems in our society are getting increasingly complicated and interconnected. So, in order to come up with a solution, we have to gain an understanding of a wide range of fields and work together. So this is precisely what this department is aiming to do. So in this department, we can study from professors who are experts in different fields, such as chemical engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and so on. And in the fourth year, we can choose from more than 50 research laboratories to work on our own independent research project. So a little bit about the program I'm under. So GSEP. So GSEP is the first international Bachelor of Engineering degree program of Tokyo Tech. Most subjects are taught in English, but classes are provided for students to obtain Japanese language skills. So this is a picture of our physics experiment class that I took during my first year. And this is a sociology class that I also took in first year. And you might notice that this classroom do not look like a traditional classroom that you might have in mind. This is because in our department, there are actually quite a few classes that are discussion based. So we have classrooms that are catered for that purpose. All right. So so a look of my schedule on a typical school day. Just a disclaimer: this is pre-COVID 19, so around 7:30 a.m. I wake up and I go to classes. So after taking around 3 to 4 classes, it depends on the day. Then I would either work at my part-time job, or study Japanese language, or meet up with my tutor. And at night, I would work on my assignments and yeah, study for quizzes and stuff. And so next, I'm going to talk about why I chose Tokyo Tech. So I'm sure many of you guys are familiar of Tokyo Tech's reputation of producing world-class research. That's probably why you're interested in joining the program today. But so I will be focusing on the second and the third point, which is first is support for international students. So Tokyo Tech provides a lot of support for international students so that we can adjust to life in Japan. So, for example, during our first year, we are assigned to a tutor. And also in the campus, we have a bunch of events for international students so that we can connect with each other. Uh, Also, my first year, one of the most memorable events that I joined is called Tokyo Orienteering. So basically, it is organized by SAGE, which is the Students Association for Global Exchange. So in this program, participants are divided into groups, and basically we solve missions while touring around Tokyo. It's kind of like The Amazing Race, if you have ever heard of that show. And yeah, we also have a homestay program so that we can learn more about the Japanese culture. Okay, and lastly, Tokyo Tech also provides abundant study abroad opportunities. So last year, I actually went to Taiwan for a summer program. So in this program, we, together with students from Taiwan Tech, we designed and built a walking robot which can navigate itself through a maze. So it was a really fun and interesting learning experience. And yeah, so this is all I have for today. Thank you for listening.